This is a 2001 Porsche Boxster S in Polar Silver. It's the car that saved Porsche. Check out the curves. Check out its wheels. Check out the bird's poop. This mid-engine sports car has a 3.2 litre engine and can hit 100 kilometers an hour in about 5.5 seconds. The Boxster may not be as desirable as its older and bigger brother, but it's just as fun to drive and a real joy to own. Today's guest is an adorable little kitten called Leia. I bet you can't guess where she got her name from. She was found dumped in a rubbish bin, sadly, but has now been adopted and being very well looked after. This is Cats in Cars Drinking Coffee. Hello, Leia? Fancy getting together for some coffee? You don't like coffee? How about some milk then? Fantastic. Okay, I'll pick you up in 5 minutes. Alright, see you soon. Bye bye. So Leia, what do you think of the Porsche? You like it? Does it get your approval? Yeah? Yeah, I take that as a yes. Excellent stuff. You want to go for a drive? Okay, we'll go for a drive. Fantastic. Do you like these little red strips I put on the doors? Yeah? Excellent. You like everything about this car, don't you? You're a Porsche cat, aren't you? For sure. Yeah, I knew it. I knew the moment I picked you up you were a Porsche cat. Yep, exactly. So, let's get you in the seat. Well, can I finish my coffee first? No. Come on now, you've had yours. It's my turn. Let me finish my coffee. Okay, thank you. Alright. Do you like my new scarf? Okay, calm down. We're going to go for a drive now. Let me finish my coffee, please. For a cat, you're very impatient. What can you do? Alright, let's get the seatbelt on then, yeah? That's not going to work, is it? Listen, Leia. Dig your claws into the seat and hold on, okay? Alright, let's go. Minutes in the car and the bloody cat's gone to sleep. I guess this Porsche's not very exciting for her, is it? Maybe she's not a Porsche cat after all. So that's our Cats in Cars Drinking Coffee video. I hope you liked it. This is Leia here. I think she's napping now, but she's the star of the show for today. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell as well so you don't miss a single one of our videos. And subscribe, like the video. And we got another video here which shows 5 things I love and 5 things I hate about the Porsche Boxster. And on the other side we're gonna have the car show Los Montesinos, because you guys are probably missing all these car events since we've been on lockdown. So there we go. 5 things I love and 5 things I hate about the Porsche Boxster and the car show at Los Montesinos. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.